Hello YouTube and hello Twitch, and welcome to this new web dev session for my application StoreMyDocs. And actually today I will record the YouTube presentation of the last version of my application. So yeah, I will present. So currently on this web page, which is publicly accessible, I have the version 0.3.1 because I did small like sorting on items, categories, removing empty categories after trashing a file because I was only doing in some cases, and I was thinking that during the demo it may be weird to not handle this case. And there was a problem that there was no longer a refresh after upload because of some change that broke this feature. Let's see. I will do first a small recording test to see if the recording. Oh, I have an issue with my micro. Let me see. I don't know why, but for some reason the microphone is. I don't hear anything actually. That's weird. Okay, is it working now? Oh no. I have an issue. I don't know where it comes from. Maybe I can. Maybe I can try with this. Let's see. I have to check. If I change this, okay, maybe like this. It's really weird. I have an issue with the microphone. I may need to restart the computer. Yeah. Let's see if I can find something. Okay, no. It's the same problem. Maybe it's an issue, a weird interaction with Discord. I don't know. Okay. No, it's not better. I really have some weird interaction when I change my microphone and so on. Because I can make it so that my voice is louder, like this, but it's really weird to have so much difference between, like, it's like my voice is really not loud. Where does it come from? I don't know. Okay. No, still the same problem. Okay, I will try to restart the PC. Maybe it's a problem that I have when I have the PC in sleep mode. I don't know. Okay, so see you soon then. Okay, so I'm back. I need to check the streams again. So let's see. Twitch seems to be good. And on YouTube. In the meantime, I will load my VM again. Some music. Okay. So on YouTube. Is it better? Okay. It seems good. I will get the image soon again. I will probably have to cut. I will start the VOD replay from there. Okay. So let me start again from there. So hello YouTube and hello Twitch. And welcome to this new WebDev session for my web application StoreMyDocs. And today I will do a presentation of the last version, the YouTube. I will do a YouTube recording to present the last version 03, which is actually the version 031, because I made some change, like sorting on items and categories, removing empty categories after trashing a file, and fixing a small bug because there was no refresh. Yeah. I just need to check if forgot something or not. Yes. No, I will just I changed a bit the settings for my audio. I need to change them again a little bit. Okay. I will do a recording test to see if my settings are fine with OBS. So here I'm doing a recording, so hello me, because I will be the only one to watch this recording. And that's it, I can stop. I will have a look in my PC, so you won't be able to see what I'm doing. So the recording is this one. Okay, it's good. Quality is nice. Then I guess I can do it. I will try to make it quick and simple, to the point. Let's see. To prepare a bit. This, then on YouTube. Ding. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so really not lucky today. Okay, I hope it will not crash again. I had everything froze. Hmm. No, I have to restart my VM. Ah, and I forgot. I want to. Maybe it will. I will start my VPN, so maybe it will cut the connection. Maybe not if I'm lucky, but I should not hope so. So let's see. The VPN connection will be soon there. No connection. Okay, I should be there now. Yes. There is a big delay now. We'll restart again because to avoid the delay. Oh no, okay. Should be okay. So let's continue what I was doing. Okay, at least I have my tabs back. Let's see, this is fine. Okay. Checking again if the connection is good. But the connection probably because of the reconnection. Yeah, I need to open again the presentation summary. I need to play some music for myself again. Okay. Okay, everything should be good now. I hope it's happening. Ah, was the connection again? No, the connection seems unstable. I don't know why. Connection test. 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 Just let's see. No, the download seems fine. Well, Let's refresh YouTube. Okay, everything seems to be green now. So we'll start the presentation. Let's see if I have everything I need. I need to open IntelliJ for the last part. I also need Striker. I need the report of Striker. Okay, this is good. No, I need Striker. So I have a dashboard for no. I want to check if I have. Okay, it will be fine for what I want to show. Just that it's for the PR for here, but that's okay for. And maybe if I can do like master. Ah, yes. Okay. So this is ready. SonarCloud, I have it. Okay. Actually, yeah. Actually, I'm losing the connection. Okay, so I will continue anyway. I will do the video presentation and. Yeah, I guess I can start. We start the recording. Okay, let's start. Hello YouTube and welcome to the presentation of the last version of my web application StoreMyDocs. I have a summary here and I will start with the non-technical stuff. So first, what is StoreMyDocs? Let's see, I have a description here on my GitHub page. StoreMyDocs is a web application designed with the primary purpose of effortlessly centralizing and storing all of your documents. It offers security, ensures that no document data is transmitted to the server. Instead, the files are encrypted before being sent to your chosen cloud storage. And it offers ease of access, a high-powered analysis and indexing process automatically categorizes your documents, making them easy to locate. The basic idea I had with this application is I have a lot of documents in my emails, in different places, in some accounts somewhere, just waiting for them to be downloaded. And what I would like is somewhere where I can centralize everything. I can just upload them. And then the application will automatically ensure that it's secured and it will categorize automatically. It will recognize what I have upload it so that just don't have to handle that in my day-to-day life. But that's not what the application is currently. It's still in development. So let's have a look at the new features of this of version 0.3.1 actually. So currently you can upload a file. So for example, you can, don't know if you want to upload, let's see, we don't really care what it is. Then you will see it's displayed here. You can download it if you want. Okay. It's downloading the file with Google Drive behind the scene. That's the first time I encountered this. But okay. Why not? It can trash file. So I can say delete, which actually is moved to the trash folder. Because behind the scene it's Google Drive, it will move to the trash folder of Google Drive. And you can also categorize documents. Let's see if I upload again some script. I will see it here. I can do set category. Let's say it's a text with a, well, I already have a shell script category. And I can also add something else as a subcategory. Okay. And you see it's updating the categories, and then I can filter on categories. Then I can see the 2 shell scripts I have. For example, I can also filter by name. If I type SH, it will show everything with this in the name. I can filter also on the image, so on. That's it for, so this is the current version. And I'm still working on it, so let's see the next feature I will be working on. So I'm using Taiga. Taiga is a project management tool, which I'm using to publish so that everyone knows what is going on, what I am working on. You can, if I have a look, no, not there, but here you can see the timeline. You can see what I did some times ago. And the next task I will be working on is the automatic categorization. What I want is to be able to set up some kind of rules that will be able to detect automatically different kind of documents, like if it's an electricity bills, a purchase on internet or something like that. So I don't know yet how, I have some idea of course, but I don't know yet everything that this will be done in this what is called a user story. But we will see. And I will be able to show you a demo of the result of this feature on the next YouTube presentation video. I also want to show you, I have a MVP, so it's the minimum viable product for a first beta public release. Because currently you can go and to StoreMyDocs OVH, but you won't be able to connect to the application because I don't know if it will show now. but the application is not yet validated by Google for the OAuth verification process. So currently you cannot log into the application. And that's why I have a minimum amount of features I want before I publish everything to the public. And this includes at least the encryption of documents and the OCR analysis of documents. And yeah, that's it for the non-technical stuff. I will go into the technical stuff now. But even if you don't know what I'm doing, for example, I'm using an IDE to work on the code, so it's something that may be obscure for the common people. But you can still come to my Twitch and YouTube WebDev streams, and you can chat with me, ask me questions about the feature, even if it's non-technical, it's okay. But if you are a technical guy, you can also come to my Twitch or YouTube streams and ask me technical questions and see how I work and whatever you want to. On YouTube, so my channel, this one you can see I have different streams. That you can have a look at the history if you want, but you're welcome to join my future streams on either platform. You have the link to my Twitch channel. Yeah. Now let's go to the technical stack part. So technically, so let's start with GitHub. GitHub, I will assume you know a bit since you are technical, but it's to store the application source code. So everything that I'm coding is accessible. It's accessible, but it's not. You cannot do anything you like. You cannot reuse the code for your own project. Because currently the license is all rights reserved. It may change in the future, but for now, that's how it is. And on GitHub, I have some actions which automatically build the project by doing the testing, the analysis, and we will see some details soon after. There is also automatic deployment from the production branch to GitHub pages. So actually this is a GitHub page behind the scene. And there is also end-to-end test with Playwright. So Playwright is end-to-end testing framework, let's say, library developed by Microsoft. Yeah, which is really nice actually. So let's see in GitHub if I have something else. Striker, yeah. Striker, I will talk about it later in the mutation testing part. Yeah, that's it about GitHub. I'm doing pull requests for all of my feature so that I can see the reports from the build. For example, SonarQube. So let's go to SonarQube. SonarQube is it's SonarQube, which is an open source platform to inspect the code quality and doing some static analysis to detect bugs and so on, which is great. And SonarCloud is just the cloud version for the solution of SonarQube. And I'm using Sneak. Sneak is a vulnerability reports to have some kind of alert in case there are vulnerabilities. So you can see all the dependencies of my project, and it's monitored by a Sneak. Then mutation testing. So I tried to do some kind of mutation testing. I don't know how familiar you are with mutation testing. But let's have a look at, where is it? Here. So I'm using Striker. So Striker, not this maybe. But you can have a look if you want to know more about it. But it's a framework to do mutation tests. And for example, let's see if I go to, let's say there, it will say some things like, here I specified this value, but if you replace this value by an empty string, there is no test failing. So it means maybe this is not useful to specify this value. Same things here. It's saying that I specified some metadata headers, but actually even if you remove the metadata headers, there is no test failing and so on. So it can give some information about what you think you are testing. Sometimes you are doing a test, the test is green, and you say, well, my test is fine. But actually, it's not testing really what you think it is. So I'm not aiming for 100% mutation score, but at least I want to have a look at mutation which failed for the test I have written. So that was the goal, but actually there is a lot of false positive. Like, I don't know if we can see some here. Yeah. For example, here is certainly a false positive. It's saying this is not useful, but I'm using this somewhere and I need it. So this is a false positive, and because there is a lot of it currently, I cannot really make use of this feature. Let's have a look next at my IDE. So I'm using IntelliJ. Well, I don't have really much to say about it, but if you know about it and if you like it, feel free to share the the like. No, but if you don't know much about it, I can give. Yeah, you can see me working on it. I'm used to it. I like to use it, so yeah. One last thing is about TDD, YAGNI, KISS. If you look at my streams, you can see me mentioning this kind of buzzwords. Not exactly buzzword, but so I love TDD. There is some kind of mixed feelings, how to say. If you can hear a professional talking about TDD generally, the professional don't like TDD, which I totally understand. But personally, I'm taking the gamble, let's say, to professional project, which is this web app. And it may have some disadvantages, but overall, I think it gives a lot of benefits. More about a mindset. You aren't gonna, yeah. And KISS principle. Keep it simple, stupid. It's more about the mindset, and TDD for me is also a mindset. It's not only to test before implementing something. It's more of a mindset, like well, I won't explain this video. You can come see my streams, ask me question about all these principles. But overall, it's a guarantee of quality. Quality and it's about simplicity also, well, because sometimes simplicity can be better for the usage of the application. Yeah. So that's it. I have no more to say about this version. So thank you for watching this video, and goodbye. Okay. That's it, my first video. I forgot to say that I was in live. Well, does not really matter. I have a lot of free connection with YouTube. I don't know why. Well, there is no viewer on YouTube, so should I care? No. I don't know. Yeah. So the presentation is finished. I will upload it later. I hope it was not too long and that it was okay. No, I will just continue working on my application. Okay, so let's see what I have to do. So the feature I want to work on now is automatic categorization. The hard part is it's kind of no, because I don't know yet where I'm going. I know what I somewhat want to achieve, but the difficult part is more about the user experience. Let's see, you have the categories. Probably I will prefer to have the categories on the left and the files on the right. Maybe I will change a bit the design to make it let's see. So let's have a look at I want to go to the home page maybe. So this one, okay, this one is doing routing here. So I would like to have the file upload above. So let's see, I'm not sure how much I need this class here. Ah, I need to run the server locally. Okay, so let's have it inside this class. Okay, it's better. Then I would like to have the categories on the left side. To do this, so I'm not sure what is the right way. So I know I have to use some kind of flex utility. I want to see what I can reuse. Vertical divider, how does it looks like? Okay, so maybe there is a guide on using flex here. No. Okay. So let's see Angular flex layout. What is it about? CSS Flexbox. So normally, that's what I'm using, Flex. So let's see if I have so this should be one component. The filter with the table. Then I will have another div to wrap the two components, so the tree and the div, and this one will have a class which will be don't know, file list categories. Then I can do something like maybe just okay, display flex, and so let's start with display flex. That's what I want, but then I don't know how part. So the flex direction is okay, but I want the flex grow. For this, I want to have, so I don't know, no, I will have a class also for this. File list. I will have flex row. Something like this. Yeah. And then the problem is this. It does not look nice currently. So first thing I will do, I will move the filter above because it will be nicer. Okay. Category. This. I don't know if it's no, I find this weird to have it like this. So let's go back to what it was before. Here. Okay, so I definitely need some margin. Margin. Or padding, I don't know. Padding top. Say, I don't know. This may be too much. This seems to be too much. I need to check the padding. It was the same padding as above. $20. Then maybe I will have a fixed size. I want to see how it will look. So categories. So if I have something like width 100 pixels. Okay. So of course 100 is too small. The problem is I can definitely come up with something too long. Yeah, I have a lot of drop frames. But apparently it's only for... I only have an issue with YouTube. We try to restart the stream again just because of YouTube. Okay, so on YouTube it's... No, the problem is still there. On Twitch everything seems to be fine. I have a call, but I don't know what it is. We'll see if they call again. I will have to do a quick break. And let's see how it looks on another device. Example like this. I don't like this. Maybe, I know. I actually know what I would like. So it's not an expansion panel, or maybe it is, but some kind of panel that you can collapse. This may be nice. The name of what I want is... I know it existed, but I don't remember the name. Sidebar, actually. Side nav. That's what I want. Okay, I guess I cannot have an example here, but I want some kind of side nav. I don't know if they will have exactly what I want, but what I would like is something which can be... Let's see if I can make something with this. Yeah, I would like something similar. Preferably, I don't know if I can find it somewhere, but I'm looking at but, but I cannot show you on Twitch and YouTube. You have something like this when you are streaming. You can this actually. I want some kind of collapse. Maybe I will do sure pose of the side nav. Okay, so let's have a look at some more example. Angular material collapse. No. I will see what I find. Yeah, that's what I want with the half side, like they say. This is quite old. Let's see, mod side. Okay, I see. Is expanded. Disable close. I see. Probably something like this will work. I will try. Seems to be a bit weird to disable close. But let's see. So if I go to categories, so mat tower, container, I guess. Okay, in this case, I actually don't need the div I had. I can just have mat tower container this with mat drawer. like this. So let's see already what it does. Okay, I need to remove this. Okay, so I don't see the drawer. That's probably normal. And no. Here maybe. So I guess I need something like this. Yeah. Ah, but actually it will go over. So I don't want this side nav to... Yeah, I want. I don't know. So let's see the example again here. Disable close. Okay, so now I cannot close the door, but then it's looking really... It's not nice. The main content. Do I have this? No. Not server content. So they are saying that I need to do this, apparently. Yeah, I don't know what changed, but I have some weird things ongoing. Yeah, actually, I did not need to explicitly set the content. Oh, that's what I want. I want the push behavior mode. It's not working. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Let's have a look at some example. Blur, side, and push. I will see. I'm not sure what the two means here. Mode side. So maybe I want side mode. Not really. Maybe it's because I have some things here. I change a bit some behavior. No, not no. I will add a button. To add it next to. Not sure. Maybe I will add a span. This. Oh, this I want. This. Okay, see. Actually, create a field is expanded. Don't know why I'm creating it at this place. Let's say it false by default is category panel expanded. I know I don't want this button, but I will work with something similar. Oh. Suddenly this... Oh no, why? There is something... Is there something missing? I don't remember. I want to see when it's not opened. Oh no, it was okay. But what did I change? Okay, I see. It's because it seems to be it seems to not resize properly. Resizing and open size nav. Okay. We'll use this auto size option and hopefully it will not create here. There. Okay, but what should I have here? Okay, guess it's like this. Okay. No, it's working well. I just need to add some padding or margin. Let's have a look at the collapse button that I want. Look at the button. Which one do I want? An icon like this? Matte icon button. So, which color should I use? Should it be the primary? I don't know. Let's go with the primary. So it's approximately what I want, but maybe with no color. And I will change the icon. So, do I have... I will add this into the favorites because I think it's what I want. Collapse. Maybe this one. Yes, because I have the left panel. So left panel open or left panel close. Left panel close. No? It should be this one. So apparently this one does not work. But let's have a look at the documentation. Material icons font. That's what I was doing because I need. Okay, so apparently I need to add the icons. the font for this. Trying to see the difference between maybe I can do something simpler. Do I have this one? Arrow. Back. Yes. Maybe I will try to do something like this. So this one class. Sorry. Category. Do category filters. Let's have some padding. Padding right. 20 pixels. Yeah, it's better. Try to fix also the problem I have with the background. Remove the padding I had before for below this. Maybe that's something I can fix with this. Let's have a look at the footer. Okay. Okay. So let's have a look at if here the same is category panel expanded. No, the contrary with arrow. I don't know which one it is actually. By default, I want to have it true. So the arrow forward. I don't know if it is the best icon, but yeah. Then for the tree, I will do ng if is category panel expanded. So it will be something like this. It seems to be okay. I will still do something else. I want another icon. To represent a category, which is this one. I guess the name is just category, yes. So something like this, I don't know if it looks good. I do think it's fine. Now this should be at the top right here. Maybe there is already a way to do this. I'm not sure about this. See if there is something with icons or something else. For example, a list. Can I have icon on the right? Okay, I think I will have to do it in a custom way. But yeah, I just want to see how they are displaying the button at the end. Yeah, okay. Because I have a spacer. Maybe that could be nice to have this. This is maybe better than what I had in mind. Okay. This is not working, but I probably know why. Actually, I don't know why. It's not the reason I was thinking of. Okay, in this case, I will try to change here display flex. Okay. Align content center. No. Justify content. Align items. Okay. Display flex and align items center. It seems good. plus equals category filter header. Am I? Oh, yes, yeah. Category filter header. I need to have display flex and align items center. And then, okay. Seems to be working well. Could be a good idea to have a minimum 8 for this. Because if I have only one file, it's a bit annoying. So let's have a minimum 8 for this component here. Yeah, I don't have any. Okay. I don't know on which items. This one. Items table or files table. I don't know. Then let's go here. Let's have files table. Min 8. What could be nice? Maybe something like maybe it's too much, but let's see. Oh. Okay. That's not what I wanted. In this case, maybe I need to add the. I should not have this on the table. Maybe on this. Minimum. So minimum 800 pixels. Yes. Here it's better. Let's change the class and let's have it on the parent element. Okay, that's better. That's nice. Well. There are still things that are not really nice, like you don't have the same background here. I don't know what I should have. Can I have some kind of color picker? Because here it looks like it's the same color. Here it's a different color, but here it seems to be the same. Let's see something. Okay. To see how this angular material documentation look. Okay, and let's have a look at the background color. I want to see where the background color comes from. Layout? No, I don't know. Background. It's not there. Ah, here. Yeah, so it's not really, it's not white. I would like to know why here I have a white color. This one is white. Sad knife container. Background color. Content and container. Okay, so it seems to be normal to have okay, let's go back to the documentation of Angular material. I want to see if this is part of a container or not. No, okay. So they have a simple div, and maybe I should also have a simple div. Okay, so let's remove the use of mat drawer. I will have a simple div because that's what I actually want. I want a div, but yeah, okay. I still need to have, like I have had before, so here, if I do this, it will be one above the other. Now, if I want to have class the same as before actually. So I removed what I had before, but yeah, this exo on the for files list and category files list. Okay, that's better because no, that's nearly better. I need to fix the background color of the categories here. So to fix the color, I need to have a look. It's not from this. Maybe I need to have a look. So it should at least be from this div because elements inside are only up, does not take the full space. So this one, I would like to know where the color comes from. Understand where the color comes from. Let's see, I will remove every occurrence of white until I see some effect. Math table and the components table, where is it? Just below. Here, examples. So yes, all the examples are using and apparently I don't know why, but they have some kind of shadow which I don't remember having. No, I don't have a shadow. Ah, yeah, that could be nicer with a shadow. If I have a shadow on my component here, it will be nicer. So where does this shadow come from? Oh yes, I forgot I have a filter on background. Matte elevation Z8. Okay, they have the class for this. I want to see how it would look with this. So where is it? My table is there. Let's have matte elevation Z8. Okay. So I'm not sure what I should think about it. I want to test something else then. Category. So this is the header, and there I would like to test having matte elevation. Let's take a different one to, yeah. Okay. I'm really not comfortable using this elevation. Elevation helper. Let's see. Okay. I know what I want to test. Let's see if I have something like Z4 and here I have Z2. There is a weird behavior. Ah, okay. Problem I see here is this div here is taking the whole space. Okay, I will try something which may not work, but maybe it will work. It's working. No, I need something else. I will do something like category filter panel. So I have a new class. I don't know if I should use camel case or not. Category filter panel. I want to have a Z index of so it's you want to see we'll check again this page to see what they're saying about elevation. So let's have another check. So it goes up to 24 apparently. It's really weird, the behavior. The question I have is, do I want to have elevation? I guess I will keep it without elevation so that I don't lose time on it. Let's see something else. Background color. So I don't know if I want to have white or not. I need to remove the elevation from this here, the table. Okay. Yes, I know. I will add a divider between the two. Yes. Could be something like map divider vertical equals to something like this. Actually, on the first try, no, this looks more. This looks nicer. One change I will do is to have a background color up to the bottom. Well, it's one way or the other way. Or the other way will be to remove, to have something like this, but yeah. For testing, I will add important. Okay. I did not expect the background color to not work for Let's take this one, for example. Let's try again. Background color. Okay. It's partially working here. Matte 3. Okay, so I found where it comes from. And this is background. Okay, and now what do I like? Do I like with or without the background? I guess I like with a background. In this case, it's simple. I will remove this div. Maybe I will add a divider on the top. Yeah. It kind of look nice. Yeah. Then the idea that I have for the feature I will be working on is to add a button. Like set up the rules or I can add a button, but actually I would like to change the navigation to have some kind of custom rules page. Yeah. So I guess I will be working on this in a new session. Because for today I would like to upload the video I made for YouTube. And in this case I will take the instead of doing the live stream as I planned, I will just work on this video. Yeah, that's what I will do. So I will stop the stream now. Thank you for watching if you are watching the replay, and see you on Monday. On Monday I will do a live stream for a game project. The next web dev session will be on Tuesday. So goodbye.